Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Dropbox Sign documents for compliance, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Dropbox Sign documents for compliance, begin by logging into your Dropbox Sign account. Navigate to the Documents section where your signed documents are stored. Locate the specific document you wish to backup. Click on the document to open it. Once the document is open, look for the download option. Select the format you wish to download the document in, typically PDF is preferred for compliance. Confirm the download by clicking on the Save button. Choose a secure location on your device to store the downloaded document. For added security, consider encrypting the file before saving. Repeat these steps for all documents you need to backup. Once all documents are backed up on your local device, consider creating a secondary backup. You can upload the saved documents to a secure cloud storage service. Make sure the cloud service you choose complies with data regulations. Organize the backed up documents into folders for easy retrieval. Label each folder clearly with the relevant details, such as the date and purpose. Regularly review and update your backups to ensure compliance with any new regulations. Establish a routine schedule for backing up new documents as they are signed. Maintain a log of your backups, noting the date and the documents included. In case of an audit, having a well-organized backup can streamline the process. By following these steps, your Dropbox Sign documents will be securely backed up for compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.